For more than a decade, Spinnaker Support has grown a reputation for being the premium supplier for Oracle, SAP, and now VMware software alternative maintenance. What does this mean? It means our service is not an insurance policy. It means our service is delivering a critical outcome. We have customers who are critical national infrastructure, who are telcos, who are banks, who are government departments, who are energy providers, and they know that security is absolutely key, and they also know that delivering a service quality where service management and operational resilience is essential. So whilst essentially all we're doing is providing break-fix support and an alternative to security patches, actually the way that you go about doing that is essential. And that's what we're now doing at mass, at scale, across the whole globe. Many CIOs, chief architects, IT departments are struggling with the demands of large language models, moving to AI, or even digital transformation, which was the buzzword just 5 years ago. But they have vendors, mega vendors like Oracle, SAP, and now VMware, who've got their own ideas of what they're going to do, trying to lock them both commercially and digitally into their ecosystem. And they need alternatives. Spinnaker Support is that premium alternative. What we provide to clients is an ability to take back control so they can stay exactly where they are for as long as they want, transform at their own pace, when they want, and where they want.